to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to create a branded Facebook page. So I'll be showing you how to create a good page that will be okay for your business, as in a branded page that will be okay for your business. So you just have to follow me as I show you a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So first of all, I believe you must have you have the blue app, which is Facebook. Then first of all you need to do is just have to open your Facebook page. So open your Facebook app. You can use your app, or you can use you can navigate to the Chrome sections of it, and you can open your Facebook page if you don't normally log in through Chrome. But if you have the app, it will be very easier for you to open the page. So what you just have to do is just open your Facebook mobile app, then navigate to the menu icon, then you click on pages. So when you click on pages, you see home, you see discover, then you now see, when you scroll down, you see create page. So you click on create page, and once you click on create page, you click on get started. So once you click on get started, the next option here is to input the page name. It's just to input the page name. So you just have to first of all think of the page name of your business or your brand, that as in what you just want to represent online. So you just have to think of it first. So you just have to put in a page name. So in this case, let me use a mobile phones to be my page name. Let's say I want to start selling mobile phones. Let's say I want to start selling Infinix mobile phones. I can use the brand name Infinix mobile phones as my page name. So this is to also help for search engine optimization, whereby if people want to searching for Infinix mobile phones, they can be able to see my page and like it, where I'll be able to update them on new Infinix mobile phones that are available. So you can equally use as a marketing strategy. So once you do that, you click on done, then you click on next. So it now asks you for the category that describes the page you want. Now for mobile phone, you know that phone and tablet is okay for it. So musicians, the brand, all these ones here are not okay for it. So what I can do is I can click on add category. So you can add category, you can click on shopping and retail, because you need people to shop there and retail the product. So you can click on product or service. You can click on product or service, or you can equally click on e-commerce website. Yes, now you can click on e-commerce website. That's to show people that your page is all about selling, as in buying and selling. It's all about buying and selling. So you can choose this e-commerce. Then you can go ahead to remove the shopping and retail. Maybe let's say go ahead to put products service. So once you are through this, then you just have to click on the next button icon there. So once you click on it, then you wait for it to load. And once it's through loading, then you have another step which you need to go through. So here you now have to ask you about the website. Now if you don't have a website, you can go ahead to skip. You can skip from the right section of the icon up here. You can skip, but if you have the website already, then you can input the website. So in this case, let me say the website name is your domain. Let me use your domain.com. So which means any domain of your choice. So if you can get any domain name of your choice, and for a clue on that or a tip on that, what you just need to do, let's say I'm using Infinix phones as a case study here. Let's say you want to create a page where people see about Infinix mobile phones and every other stuff relating to Infinix, even their charger and the rest of them. So what you can do here is you can create a domain name that suits, or that is a bit, you understand, that includes Infinix company's brands, you understand. So you can just create a domain name that suits or matches with their brand name, you understand. You can create something like you can buy a domain name that stays infinixphones.com on any type. Just check for a domain name that has to include sort of that, so that it will look professional and it will look customizable. So once you do that, you have to click next and then wait for the next option, so which is to add images to this page. So here what you just need to do is to go and create a logo which you can use to represent your page name. So a logo which you attach here. Once you click it, to tell you to upload the photo which you will use as a logo. So you just have to go and create a logo. In order to create a logo, you can use Canva. You can go over to canva.com, sign up there, and create a very nice logo. So I'll also equally be showing you how to do that in the next video. So what you have to do next is just to click on done. Let's say if you don't have the logo ready, just click on done. Once you click on done, here you have your page, which is very now okay and very vital for you to use for marketing or to represent whatever you stand online. Now one of the settings I would like you to do is to click on the settings icon here. There's some changes or settings that which you need to update on the page. So when you do that, you click on general settings. Now you can pin it. Okay, already it has been pinned automatically, but you can pin the Infinix mobile phones page so it will be appearing or show up whenever you click the menu icon. Then you can equally add your page, but that will not be necessary now. So that will not be necessary. Okay, all these ones are okay. So these ones are okay. You can go back and click on messaging. Now when someone messages you through this page, what happens? You can decide to check the icon of instant reply. Now what will be the instant reply message? So you just have to set it up here. You can just write some good notes which will make someone to feel like, oh wow, this page is responding to me as soon as possible. So what you just need to do, you can change any of this character which you see here, which is hi, thanks for contacting us, we've seen the message, I appreciate you reaching out. This is just an automated write-up, but you can equally change it. So to change it, you just have to click here and maybe put up any other stuff which you want, or you can add more to it by saying wait as we respond to you sooner. Alright, so you just click on it and save it. And once you save it, what happens is that when someone sends you a message on this page, automatically this message will send to the person to tell the person, thank you for contacting us, you received the message, then wait as we respond sooner. So when you are away, let's say you are away or you are not online or you've not been online, you can equally tick this so that it will send a message for the person to tell the person that you are not online as of now, that you will respond whenever you are back. So, but I don't normally like, or I don't go with this option which is away message, because I don't normally like a client or a customer to know that I'm away. You understand? So it's just like where you have a constant, you understand, you have a constant availability to respond to the messages. So you don't need to click this away message. So you just have to uncheck it. Then you can set up some frequently asked questions of your page. Yes, so even if you don't have people asking you questions as of now, but you can think of what can people ask you. You understand? You can think of what can people ask you on your page when they navigate to your page. So you just presume to yourself you are a client or a customer, you understand, to your page. So you just have to set up some questions and answer you feel like people can ask you. Like we have automatically, the one we have here is anyone available to chat, so which is very, very wrong. In order to create an optimized page, this question is not needed. So what you need to do is ask questions based on your niche, like based on the page name you created and what you want to use the page for in your business. So let's say for this my case study, which is Infinix phones, so I can ask a question which is is Infinix phones original? You understand? So you can ask questions like, is Infinix phones original? Then you can add an answer which says, hi, thanks for contacting us. This answer here is not, so I can just delete complete this, then you say yes, Infinix phones are original phones. You understand the pattern here? So you just have to include this. Infinix phones are original phones. Now this is a reply to this question, so that once the person clicks on this question, it's a FAQ page, like FAQ question section, so that once the person clicks on is Infinix original or Infinix phones original, the person will get an automatic answer, which is yes, Infinix phones are original. You can ask question 2. You understand? You just have to think like a client or as a customer, what will be the kind of messages that people can ask you. So you can have like question 2, which is how do I get the phones? You understand? So this is another question. The person, how do I get the phone? Let's say someone wants to buy, the person will be like, okay, even if I should buy this now, how do I get the phone? You understand? Let me make this capital. So how do I get the phone when I buy? Let me put it up. When I purchase. So you can go ahead to give the person an answer on what, as in, or an automated response of what will happen when the person makes a purchase. You just like we will deliver. You will have, okay, let's say you will have to put in your address and we will deliver your order to you. Let me correct this. Alright, as you can see, you have here, how do I get the phone when I purchase? Then you have an answer, which is you have to, okay, you can make an adjustment to this. I guess I'm not seeing it clearly, but you can make an adjustment to it. Okay, yes, okay, I have it here. So you have to put in your address and we'll deliver your order to you. Your order to you. I will have to deliver your order to you. So that's it. So you can go ahead and click on save changes, or you can add more questions and automatic answers. So once the person clicks and sends a message, this automatically the person will receive the answers which you have here. You understand how you can do this? So you just have to click on save in order to save this message. Once you save it, you can then go back. Once it has saved, you just have to go back. Then you can click on the notifications on how you can get notified. Do you want to get notified through emails or on Facebook or messages? So most of the times I do choose on, let's say on Facebook, then you can choose to make some settings here, but I will suggest you just leave it as default, whereby you receive messages on Facebook. Then you can go, if you want to connect your WhatsApp account, you can go ahead to connect your WhatsApp here. If you want to connect your WhatsApp to the page, depends on the service or the business you are running with your page. So you can just connect your WhatsApp account. It's something that requires a customer to reach out to you. Oh, that's what you can do here. Also, you can equally click on page rules. Let's say if you have a social media manager, like if you're employing a social media manager, you can click and assign a page rule to the person. So, and also if you want, you can just go ahead to check all these negotiations. But for the settings which you've set up now, these are the basic settings which you need for your page to stand out. So the next thing you just have to know is that include is your page name, your page logo, and your page cover photo. So this for cover photo is very important, and also your page name is very important. So you just have to create a logo that suits your business, and also a cover page that can entice people to click on your page and like your page and follow up your page. So that's one of the things you can. This is just a quick tutorial on how you can do it, how you can create a Facebook branded as a business page. So this is how you can do that, and in the next video I'll be showing you also how you can delete a Facebook page, or how you can change your page name. If let's say if your page name maybe at some extent you now feel like you need to change the page name. So in the next video I'll be showing you how to change the page name. So till the next video.